Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. You need your Google email and password and a working internet connection. Open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll to Passwords and Accounts or Mail depending on iOS version. Once there, tap Add Account and choose Google from the list. This launches Google's sign-in flow. Enter your email, then your password when prompted. Make sure to read permission prompts. They determine what syncs to your phone. Now complete authentication. If you use two-factor authentication, approve the sign-in on your second device or enter the code sent via SMS or Authenticator app. After successful verification, the iPhone shows sync options. Toggle mail, contacts, calendars, and notes as you prefer. Choosing only what you need reduces background syncing. Once you tap Save, the phone will authenticate and begin syncing. Wait a minute for mail and contacts to populate before moving on. Finish by opening Mail or the Gmail app to confirm your inbox loads and by checking contacts and calendar for synced entries. If things look incomplete, first make sure Background App Refresh and Fetch settings allow updates. Then go back to Settings Accounts to verify the account is active. If you still see problems, remove the account and re-add it after confirming your password and two-step code, because reauthorizing often clears sync permission issues and resolves stuck sync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.